What's going on, guys? It's Jesse at the Humble Auto Spa, and today we're going to be doing full body matte paint protection film on a brand new 2024 Tesla Model Y. Why do matte paint protection film? Tesla's only come in 5 different colors, and so a lot of my Tesla owners want to spice it up and do something different. Paint protection film not only protects your paint from things like rock chips, scratches, shopping carts, and people bumping into your car, but it also can give your Tesla a really unique appearance as well. When you go full body matte, not only do you get the protection benefits, but you're gonna get a satin finish over the entire vehicle, and it is truly an awesome look on this Tesla. We're gonna be using core software today to cut out all of the panels for this vehicle, and what's really fantastic is that we're gonna be using our software to extend the edges of our patterns. When paint protection film is tucked this way, it's good for 2 major reasons. First and foremost, it looks amazing. When film is tucked, you don't have any exposed edges, which means that visibly it looks seamless. More important than just looking really pretty, when you tuck paint protection film this way, those edges are far less likely to catch and lift, giving your install a better durability over time. We're going to be doing a one-piece install on this rear trunk, which is both very tedious and skill intensive. Normally, these Tesla Model Y trunks are done in 2 pieces. One where it goes where the glass is, but the other piece normally will go on the bottom side. But for us, we're going to be trying to do this in 1 piece. We're going to show you how that's done. We're going to first start by taking a flat piece of film and stretching it across the bottom of the trunk. We're effectively trying to get a flat piece of film to lay over a curved edge. Once all of that excess material has been mitigated off the trunk, we're going to start slowly locking in our film. We're going to start with the bottom side first and then work our way to the top. We're effectively trying to get a flat piece of film to lay over a curved edge, and all of that excess material needs to go somewhere. So we're trying to get all of that material towards the center of that glass so that we can trim it and leave it clean. The film, once it gets squeegeed, activates the adhesive, and once the adhesive bites and bonds, we're going to trim the excess material off, leaving the trunk done in 1 piece. Once all this excess material is removed, we're going to tuck the film just like the rest of the vehicle. The project took about a week to complete, but you saw how much work went in. But wow, this Tesla looks fantastic. Not only is it going to be fully protected from the elements and physical damage, but it has such a unique look on the road as well. So if you want to give your Tesla a unique presence and you want to give it the best protection possible, then ceramic coatings and paint protection film are for you. If you're investing big money to protect your Tesla, then go with the pros who can do this right the first time. You saw how much labor goes into a job like this, but it's always worth the wait. It's Jesse at Humble Auto Spa, signing out.